my name is Shanta and ito po yung asawa kong si Dwaine.
Ako si Dwaine.
Oh,
Has to be loud and exciting.
what do you mean?
Hello! I am Shanta.
Hi! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shanta and this is my husband.
Ayan! Ako si Dwaine Woolley, asawa ni
Siya
Shanta.
yung Australianong marunong magwaray, Bisaya at saka Tagalog.
Oo nga.
If you're new here, pa-subscribe po. Join na kayo sa Dwaine Afang.
Subscribe na kayo for more
Yes,
pabibins.
today we are going to do the makeup challenge. So, husband does my makeup.
So, hindi talaga ako marunong mag-makeup. Wala talaga akong dugong Becky. I don't even know what this is. What is this? Benefit.
Ay, stop. Yung challenge kay Dwaine, ito yung gagayahin niyang makeup sa akin.
Huh?
Smoky eye. Tapos kasi,
Smoky-eyed.
basa pa yung hair ko. So, it's gonna be slick hair. Tapos, smoky. My
Parang
frame.
multo.
Let's start.
Sige, kunwari, dalupasa ako sa makeup, ha? First of all, we start with the, whatever this is, cat's eye mascara. Ang gagayahin natin tong multong babae na to.
You start with the mascara?
Yeah, of course
Hey, you have your
do.
brush here.
Okay, this looks like something you'd use on an eyebrow. You ready?
Kilay! Wait!
I am the expert today, remember? Itim. Maitim yung eyebrows niya. Maitim din yung paint na to. Sige, so lagyan natin ang mascara sa kilay ni Shanta. Ayan, so Shanta's eyebrow needs to be black pa. Dapat mas maitim pa. Your eyebrows are black naman, pero this makes them more black. This makes them multo black. I don't know what any of this stuff is, so I'm just gonna guess. Eyeliner. I guess the black stuff around her eyes is eyeliner, diba? So we're going to do that now.
Make sure not to poke my eye.
Close your eyes. Okay.
You're covering
Pick it, pick it, pick it, pick it, pick it. Why are you laughing?
Ano, nakakatawa
I haven't even started yet. Shh, stop laughing or else you really will look like a multo. Sige na. Wait, don't laugh. Why are you laughing? What's this?
What happens to my
Bowing.
other eye?
Yeah, I'm going to do that part. Concealer. Ooh, concealer. I've heard that concealer is to conceal. I'm covering up all your blemishes, baby. Kahit wala kang blemish kasi perfect ka, Char. Okay, so I guess you rub it in with the brush. Yum! Parang manika. Ooh, I did a shimmer dust.
Hello, did you spill it?
No! Oh. Wait a second, I made a mistake.
There's a BB cream.
Hey, you wanted me to do your makeup? You be quiet and let me do your makeup, okay?
Kino yan?
Yeah, just like that.
Do I look like the girl in the picture na?
No. No.
This beautiful life.
The shimmer dust was a fail, so we're not gonna use that, okay? Oh, here we go. Yes, what is this? Etude House.
Can I open my
It
eyes
sounds
na?
okay.
You have to read it. It's the bottom
Yeah, but I did. It said Etude House. That's all.
Really?
How are you supposed to tell what it is when all it says is Etude House?
Alam mo na ba?
Alright. Now, this is your... It's so brown. Her cheeks are darker, so it has to be there. And your cheek.
This? Why are you dragging my face down?
It's not dark enough. Okay, I'm sorry, I'll drag it up. Go like that. Alright, I need to fix up your eyes. Shut up and kiss me. Oh, liquid matte lippy. Her lips are matte, so gayahin natin to.
I also use that for my cheeks. So you can use
No,
it.
you're not supposed to tell me how to do makeup. I am doing makeup the Dwaine way. You ready?
What do you want?
I'll go. Ayan, perfect. Do you have like makeup remover?
No, I don't. Oh, I think I'm gonna sneeze. Did you put a lot?
No, I didn't. I put a little bit. Go sneeze.
Anay.
Sneeze over there, not on me. Aching dyan! Hindi dito! Huwag dito!
Anay, nawawala na.
Kakalaka. Oh no, mascara is not for the eyebrows, it's for the eyelashes. You okay now?
Yeah.
Open.
You're beautiful. Shine like the
Your mouth. That's what people. Your mouth.
Stop moving.
Oh, it's so ticklish. What are you doing?
It's BB cream time for Bibi.
Are you trying to make me look like that girl? Or
I am, but I don't know how to make you look like that girl. That's the first time I've ever done someone's makeup.
Ayaw na yung Dwaine.
Ayaw, ano yun, ano?
Like, kasi, focus sa nga picture is the girl's kuan, eyeshadow, sugad, niya eyes. Diba?
Yes.
So you have to focus on my eyes.
It's like face paint.
Diri mo ni mo pag-blend.
I don't know how to. What am I supposed to blend?
Ah, you're
sorry.
strong. Remember,
Okay,
you're
sorry.
strong. I'm not breathing, you know. Because I don't want to breathe. Why are you doing that? You can use your other hand. No, just use your right hand. I'm scared.
Trying. Okay, close your eyes. Alright.
Why do you want me to close my eyes when you're doing my cheeks? Why are you brushing my eyebrows? You know, your hand is so heavy. No, don't destroy my makeup.
You asked me to do your makeup
Just
without giving me any instructions.
You're beautiful. Shine like the sky.
I'm so scared because
Wait,
it's your
I
eye.
think I want to achoo.
No, don't aching on me! No!
Yeah, you're a tiger. You're a tiger, baby. Yeah. Right. Yeah.
I'm so sayang kasi you're so maganda but then the makeup is ewan. This is Shanta's final reveal. The final result, baby. The transformation. Are you ready?
Wait,
And look in the mirror.
Oh my gosh! Ano akong photoshoot marata ko to. Baby.
What?
Another picture, an igbaw, an dark, dire, diubos. Kaya nga diubos nga tanan. It's like nahulog yung lahat ng eyeshadow sa baba.
Yeah, I think I made a couple of mistakes, baby. I made
Couple ka
a
din,
mistake here. It should have been sa taas.
Uy.
And then I made a mistake with the BB cream. It made you look so
when you
pink.
look at it, bagang baliktad ang mata. It's like baliktad yung mata. Ito kasi, lahat ng dark na to, dapat nandito sa taas. Tapos ito, dapat
I tried to make you look Egyptian kasi.
Egyptian.
Well, the good news is I can do your makeup
wait.
for Halloween parties.
You did a good job with that. See, I told
With
you.
what?
With the...
I actually did a good job with something.
My skin. Or maybe my skin is maupay lang, no?
Wow, yabang, all natural daw ang beauty.
No, because you don't need
Oh, diba?
to...
Yeah, because I put the dark shadow here, diba? So it makes your
Yeah.
cheeks look dark.
I think
And then
you
here
made my
it's
skin
light.
like really nice, no?
What? It's BB cream mixed with ewan.
Yeah, but it's nice, kita. Diba? Maganda yung ano.
Next to you. Ta-ding! Ayan! Panalo! Pwede na ako mag-makeup artist para sa mga movies na may mga zombie, mga ganon.
Thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up. Tapos, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet.
Pakisend po kayo ng email sa dwaine.wooley@gmail.com if you need a makeup artist. Salamat. Mag-mall na tayo, ha?
No!
Bili tayo ng makeup remover.
Ikaw lang. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!
Bye!
You're beautiful.